Yo, what's up guys? My name is Supermarket aka the Zoom Machine, and today guys, we're unboxing another screen from Dahua. So if you have watched my channel, you know that I did unbox a 24-inch, which is like a 23.8-inch from Dahua, and now we are doing the same thing with a 22-inch now. This is for the Mrs. Table, because Mrs. is going to be gaming also, or doing whatever she wants to do with her own PC that we're building for her. So this is for her, and now we're going to be unboxing you and show you how it is, guys. Yeah? So without wasting any time, guys, please do click the subscribe button. Leave a like and tell us what you think about this new screen that you got from PV Tech, guys. The Dahua or Dahua. I'm calling it Dahua, guys. Yeah, alright, let's get this video started. Yeah.
This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Yo guys, before we even unbox our screen, welcome again guys. Today we are unboxing the Dahua screen. Yeah, this version is a LM22-B200S 22-inch fine HD monitor, ultra narrow bezel, 170 80 degrees. I don't want to be that H and 178 degrees V. I don't know what they're talking about with that, but anyway, some degrees there. But things just a way on how it can bend and stuff. And also it has an extra wide viewing angle, built-in speakers, anti-blue light design. Eye protection. Oh wow, so it has eye protection. Basically it has the protection I have on my glasses. And also, I don't know what to call this, but it has a 3-year local warranty. So basically you get a 3-year local warranty. Also for this one, I think all the Dahua screens have a 3-year warranty in South Africa if you're from South Africa. So yeah, you get that. And also on the box, let's see what they say on the box. On the box they also say wide view angle of 180. So basically this is how it can bend 178 years. That's how it can bend. Also it has speaker on the monitor itself, which is going to be cool. And it has a tilt angle and all of that. I'm going to tell you. The refresh rate of it is 75 Hz. So 75 Hz, and then you can go up to 75 FPS, I guess. Then after that you can use AI and other things of AMD and video to improve your basically FPS. And also it's a narrow border, and also it has a dent here. I don't know if they scratched it or not, but hopefully they did not damage it. There's a bit of a dent here, and I haven't opened it, guys. My first time opening the screen. So let's get things open and see if it's broken or not. But I doubt it's going to be broken, because PV Tech, they do take care of their products every time they send it to you. I never had any issues with it. So let's get this thing out of here and let's see what are we having. First thing is that we have to take out the screen out of the box, which is sometimes a difficult thing to do because things are hooking up on everything. Okay, cool. Box is out. Put the box on the side. First thing is this, a manual. If you are one of those guys who are interested in this, there's a manual. It's gonna tell you what you need to do. We're not gonna use it as much, guys, because yeah. And also, we got the bottom thing of the stand. We're gonna put it down here. We got the leg bit that connects to the stand. Basically like a frame of the stand, which we're gonna put next to it. And we got the cables. I guess I should say cables. Okay, I've got 2 cables here. Yeah, I've got 2 cables, guys, which I'm gonna check which one is which. Okay, I've got HDMI, and also we've got the adapter for each. But I'm gonna put the HDMI away because I think I have many HDMI now. I can see this one. So let's put this HDMI away and take out this thing. So, boom, there it is, guys. There you have it. The power adapter, yeah, and we're gonna unlock it and be ready to use it, I guess. Yeah. And also we do have a power cable close to us, because last time we did this unboxing thing, we didn't have the cable close to us to get it. Today the cable is closer to us, so we are ready to test things and quickly as we can. And we're just going to put this thing in the box. Boom. Okay, after that, it's a screen, there's nothing else left. So let's check how the screen is. And Luckily, the screen is well protected, guys. Looks like the screen is well protected. I don't see anything that looks weird, so the screen is well protected. Even if you have to kick the box, but you should not kick the box. It's written fragile for those things. So never kick your box, guys. Don't test that. Okay. We have the screen. Oh, OMG. Guys, it's beautiful. Wow. Okay, look how it looks like, guys. That's how it looks like. Boom, there it is. And also if you turn it this way, there it is. It has the speakers at the back here. Here. It's like a TV, but not a TV, a monitor. And also there's some buttons at the bottom you need to turn it on. And I don't understand what else it has there inside, but just the buttons and stuff. There is no remote control, so it's not a TV. It's still a monitor, just that it has speakers. Okay, at the bottom here it has the HDMI and the VGA, and also a DC connector, meaning that's power connector. That's it. That's what it has. It doesn't have a display port. There's another, I would say, for other people who prefer more FPS. They say DisplayPort is better than HDMI, one of those talks we can have. But anyway, we got this thing going. Let's see how it looks like when it's connected to its stand. And I'm gonna connect the first thing. There's no screw that comes with it, guys. You just push it in and they click and everything gets connected. Basically, everything is connected. Yeah, so yeah, let's start the pushing part. Which I don't understand, but anyway, I'm trying to learn it. Actually, this is so small that I'm a bit afraid of pushing too hard. Okay, where's the hole? Okay. Oh wait, I sort of missed it a bit. Oh, okay. Sort of not as easy as I thought it would be to push it in. And I don't want to break the screen, but I feel like I'm gonna break it. Okay, it's in. Woo! I was getting a bit afraid there. Oh, there's a screwdriver, guys, at the bottom here. So the bottom part of the stand is using a screwdriver, and I didn't notice. I thought that I was gonna push it in and it's gonna connect. But there is a tiny screw inside here, which you're gonna connect it like this. And I must get my screwdriver at the office now. You see now, I have to get a screwdriver, which I was not prepared for. Let me go get it quick, and I'll be back now. Alright? Okay, we are back. And let's connect everything. I feel like I did not done unboxing so much, guys, that I don't look at you so much. Yeah, let's look at you a bit more. Anyway, I'm trying to find guys, this is my toolbox. If you have not seen my toolbox, I did unbox it in this channel. So go watch my own videos, it's gonna be up here. If I remember to tell it, I will tell you. It's a very good toolbox, especially if you have a PC. It has all the necessary resources you need for a PC. But now we need a. Okay, looks like it's working. Actually, it's working better than I thought. Let me just tighten this thing up quickly. Okay, it's getting loose. And when I have to choose a bigger screw thing, I don't recall this thing, it was a screwdriver. So a bigger end. It sounds so wrong if I say it like that. Okay, I think let's tighten up. Screw. Wait a minute, almost fell down. Okay, cool. I think we got it. I'm not gonna force it anymore. I'm not gonna drop my screen just when it arrives, guys, Yeah, anyway, let me show you what else is here. And also, Shadow is back from school. He's playing around here. And as I showed you earlier on, I don't know if I showed you earlier on, but anyway. If I did not, yeah, you hear him doing weird things. Okay, let's put our screws away and let's connect the power stuff. Let's connect the screen. Let's see if everything turns on. And first thing is power on. Whoa, okay, it's on. That means it's working. Now what's left is we connected HDMI cable, and I'm getting my laptop here with a bit of stuff that I can use to connect the screen. And also, we're gonna connect some test things here so I can show you how it looks like. And also, we're gonna play some music from epidemic sound so that I can make you listen to it. And also, I'm trying to figure out which hole. Okay, it's in. And I think you can bend it now. Boom. Just use all the angles they did say. 170 and 78 angles, widescreen, what. So let's do that. And connect there. Turn on my laptop. Let's see what it has here. Okay, I do not know how it detects. Oh, it detected. Okay, cool. There it is. We're still playing the same thing that we were playing earlier on. And I don't know if I can click it. Did I even click it? Okay, something's happening. Anyway, let's play some audio because I did mute. Did I mute? Yeah, I did mute the anime on Crunch. So yeah. So I did mute it, I think. Yeah, I did mute it. So let me play something for epidemic sound, guys, so that you can show you that it has a speaker. And get some music here. Let's play something random. And let's change the audio output here. This is on my laptop now. I'm changing the audio output quickly to the. There it is. It's not as loud as my laptop, but it's playing from the speaker now, as you can hear. And also, I think this is the volume. Yeah, it's a volume. Yeah. Thank you. Bugatti, you love chilling from the machine, unboxing the things. We are here chilling up, testing the 75 hex team, from Dahua. Yeah, from Dahua. Yeah. Look at us playing, watching anime on the new screen now. Look at us, yo. Hope you're enjoying this video. Yeah, there it is, guys. Yeah. Alright, guys. I hope you enjoyed our anime test for you set up here, just to show you how it works, how it's connected. But we like this one, and if you didn't like it, tell us in the chats. Tell us. Why you hater? Why you hating on the video? And if you're not a hater, click that like button, guys. Tell us what you think about it. Also, like, what else can we do to make this thing better? Is there any way we can do? What's the bad things that you know about this screen? You know what I mean? I want you to know the benefit that you can have speakers. So now there's no need for speakers, which is good for your kids, especially for the young ones. You know, you just want to have a PC and you don't want to buy speakers or PC and all of that. You just want to buy a monitor. You want to come with a speaker and you sort it. So this is a very, very good monitor. We get. Other than that, everything is there. I told you guys it protects. There's an eye protection for the young ones or anyone actually using it. So if you have a kid that's a gamer, they're going to be way more protected with the screen than actually using any other screen. As far as it says on the specs of the screen. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this one. This is the machine. I'm out here. I'm going to be chilling, relaxing, having a bit of fun. Otherwise, I'm out here. Enjoy the day. See you guys next time on the traveling, vlogging, unboxing, doing it. Alright, we're out here. Bye!
This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.